This is a system that has been tried many times on the internet, and it's interesting to see how it does perform what it's said to do. The chamber on the top left-hand corner shoots the air back out into the open, and the hole to the right of it is where the fan would sit. And while this one has been improved by having an airspace that would blow over the ice bottles that we see here, it allows the cool air to give the room about a 5-degree differential. Running this thing all day would only be approximately 42 cents a day, as opposed to air conditioning, which is $1.50. I hope you appreciate it.